3 screens in 30 minutes. Why? Speaking, I finished all of the screens way back in June. However, Daniel just texted me and said, hey, you're actually missing some. I checked and he was right. Uh-oh. So we have 3 screens left and I would like you to, come along with me on this journey and see how I build the rest of the frames. Okay, so the first screen turns out to be the friend request. I swear I did it, but somehow it wasn't on Figma, so I am redoing it. So what's the first step? The first step is to get inspiration. So I just go on Google and I just say, hey, friend request, UI, mobile, Figma, and boom, there's a bunch of results and I just pick one that looks, that looks cute, that fits our vibe with the app, and then I choose it, copy and paste, screenshot it, whatever, import it into Figma, and then start designing it, tweaking it into our own style. So as you can see, this is what exactly I am doing. Low-key, at the very beginning, I was like, maybe we should minimize the space so that we could have more friend requests on the screen without scrolling, right? So at first I was like, hey, what if you swipe right and it's accept, and if you swipe left, then it's reject, right? So it's kind of Tinder-ish. But then I realized it's kind of easy to accidentally swipe right or left, or at least for me personally. So I was like, okay, let's just be lame, not lame, but be the standard and just have 2 buttons. So accept and reject. So that's what we end up with. Let me know in the comments if you think it's the right decision or we should change it to something else. Okay, so guys, don't flame me. I don't know why I kind of skipped out the 2 most important frames of the entire app, which is our success and failure screen. I don't know why, guys. I genuinely don't know. So Daniel was coding and he was like, where is the success and failure page? Turns out I didn't make it, so we're making it right now. So of course, your girl needs some inspiration, so we're gonna go online. And I was like, our vibe kind of goes with Duolingo. I'm not saying the art style per se, but I think the style. Bro, we need to actually clarify what style I mean. What I meant by first, it's the art style is quite different, but the vibe is quite similar because we're both the, kind of cheeky, chaotic kind of vibe. So I was like, hey, what if we just get some inspiration from Duolingo? So that's what I did. So as you can see from the screen that this is the Duolingo success page. It says, oh, you got increase whatever XP, you got whatever gold coins, whatever it is. So for us, we have a similar format too because we're also, increasing IQ and also streaks and also what are you studying, the category. So we're like, okay, why not have the same format? And of course, our mascot is your mom. No, I'm just kidding. But it is a mom, that's our mascot. So of course we have to redesign because, your girl wants to be creative. So here is just a random video of me drawing the mascot. We will be reusing that because I am lazy. Ever heard of reduce, reuse, recycle? Yes, we will be reusing our dear mascot because I'm lazy and I have a very good idea. Watch me cook. Okay, so for the failure screen, it was actually kind of accidental. I copy and pasted the GIF or the picture of our mascot in, and it was way too big. So somehow it just cut off the corner of the frame. And then Daniel looked over, right? And he was like, wait, this is actually kind of funny. And I was like, yeah, it looks like a horror game. And he was like, wait, didn't Duolingo do something like that? And here's a picture of whatever he's referring to. And I was like, wait, you're up to something. Finish the 3 frames in under 30 minutes. I know once you look over it, it's oh, these frames are very simplistic. I could finish it in 10 minutes. And yes, I do agree. You could finish it in 10 minutes. But the issue when it comes to designing is thinking of great ideas and actually working it well. I don't know if it's actually working well. I think it's cooking right now. Who knows? We actually need to release it to our beta testers. Speaking of beta testers, if you are not one, please sign up. Everything's for free. If you do sign up, then you get full-time live access to our app. And our app is great because they will roast you until you start locking in. So why not? And also it's free. Who does free stuff? Anyways, so yeah, so I just wanted to let you know, I think I spent like maybe 50% of the time talking to Daniel and talking about the idea overall, how we want to frame it, and also just taking inspiration from Google or whatever other apps like Duolingo. And then I spent the second half just like grinding the frames out, drawing the mascot, and animating it too. Okay, guys, listen up. Please subscribe, hit the like button, okay? It will help. Yes, please, I beg. Anyways, sign up is in the bio. Please sign up as a beta tester and see you in the next video.